Today's discussion is on periodic table. After the discovery of large number of elements, it is necessary to know the properties of all the elements. So, the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic number, which is the basic of modern periodic table or long form of periodic table or Bohr's periodic table. The modern periodic law is the physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic functions of their atomic number. परमाणु क्रमांक अनुसार मॉडर्न पीरियड टेबल सजा होता. सो द बेसिस ऑफ मॉडर्न पीरियड टेबल is the order of in the increasing order of their atomic number. When the arrangement of elements is done in the increasing order of their atomic numbers, the elements having similar electronic configurations are repeated after regular intervals like 288, 18, 32. These numbers are called magic numbers. The repetition, according to the repetition, the period table consists of 7 periods and 18 groups or columns. The 7 periods are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. The first period hydrogen, then blank, then helium. First period only 2 elements, hydrogen and helium. Second period lithium, then blank, neon. Third period hydrogen, lithium, sodium, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, blocks nahi, sodium 11, magnesium, tapare aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. Fourth period starts from potassium, then helium, neon, argon, krypton. Fifth period starts from rubidium to xenon. Sixth period cesium to radon. Seventh period is incomplete. These are the 7 period. Then 1A and 2A. 1A and 2A, 3A to 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A, 8A is called zero group elements. These are A. Then B, 1B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 7B. VII contains 3 columns. Total 18 columns. 7 periods and 18 columns are present in the periodic table, that is called long form of the periodic table. Also, elaborate a form. 1a and 2a are called S block elements because their outermost electron are present in NS1 means 1a S block, NS2 means 2a S block. 1a elements are hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. 2a elements containing last electron NS2. These are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. These are called AS block. Yes, NS1 means 1a, NS2 means 1a. Outermost electron NS1, NS2. So these are AS block. Then P block 3a, 4a, 5a, 6a, 7a, 0 are called P block because their outermost electron contains in P block. In third A, NS2, NP1, outermost electron, 4a, NS2, NP2, NS2, NP3, 5a, NS2, NP4, 6a, NS2, NP5, 7a, NS2, NP6, 8a or 0 group element. In this group, third A, first element is boron. So this is called boron family. Here boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, 5 elements are present. Then IVA contains NS2, NP4, NP2, 4 electrons in the outermost shell. First element is carbon, so it is called carbon family. Here carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead present. Then NS2, NP3, nitrogen family. First element is nitrogen, so nitrogen family. Here nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Then oxygen family, first element oxygen, NS2, NP4, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Selenium, tellurium, polonium. VIA, that is NS2, NP5. NS2, NP5. Group VIA, halogen family, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. And 0 group inert gas elements or noble gas elements are present in 18th columns or 8 group, that is helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Then these groups are represent the valence of the elements. Suppose for nitrogen, NS2, NP3, V, so the valence is 5, but it takes 3 electrons and then it is also -3. The next B. Group B contains 1B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 7B, 8 रे 3टा कलम रहिबो. 1B, 2B, coinage metals and volatile metals. These are the D block elements. 4s1 3d1, 4s2 3d2, 4s2 4s3 3d 3, 4s 3d 4, 4s2 3d 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 10 D block elements. F block elements are present. Click marking. Most radioactive element in the periodic table. Most radioactive element. Most radioactive element is radium. Valence is determined by the number of valence electron or 8 number of valence, 8 minus number of valence. For example, in nitrogen, the valence electron is 5 or 8 minus 5 is equal to minus 3, 5 minus 6. Predict the position of carbon, aluminum, argon in the periodic table. Carbon is present in second period, group IVA. Aluminum third period, third A. Phosphorus third period VA. This is third period 0. Argon. Then question, write down the valence shell electron configuration of lead. Justify the position. For lead, the outermost 6s2 6p2, since it has 6 cells, so it has 6 in the 6th period, and 4 valence electrons 6s2 6p2, so it is 4th group, 6th period and 4th group. Carbon 6 1s2 2s2 period, second period, and group 4. Similarly, aluminum 3s2 3p1, so it is third period and third A group. Phosphorus last, outermost 3s2 3p3, so third period and VA. Aluminum 3s2 3p3, so third period and 0 group, so electron. Lead 6s2 6p2, so 6th period 2 2 4, 4th group. इलेक्ट्रॉन गणले ग्रुप पाइब और जो थ्री थी सेटा है तुम पीरियड 2s2 2p2 2 पीरियड इलेक्ट्रॉन 4 माने 4th ग्रुप. What is the position of the element having atom number 29? We know atom number 29 is copper, so the outermost electron is 4s1 3d10, or it is written argon 18 4s1 3d10. Valence shell is 4, so 4th period, and it contains 10 plus 1 is equal to 11th period, that is 1b. So copper or element atom number 29 is present in 4th period and 1b group. Then block-wise classification. In the periodic table, there is 4 blocks. 1A, the 1A and 2A. 1A, 2A are called S block. S block elements. There are 4 blocks. The S block elements, P block 3A20 P block, S P, then D, then F. D block, DF. S block elements are filling electrons in the takes place in the S subshell, while last electron is present in S subshell. General valence shell electron configuration NS1 2 N NS1 2 general valence shell electron. General valence shell electron configuration is NS1 2. Elements group 1A, 2A and helium belongs to this block. Then P block element, these are the elements. Last electron enters P subshell and the process of filling. General valence shell electron configuration NS2 NP1 6. Elements of third A, VIA, third A to VIA and 0 belongs to this block. Then D block elements. These are the elements in which last electron enters D subshell. D subshell is to the process of filling. General valence shell electron configuration NS2 N-1 D1 to 10 or NS1 to 2 N-1 D1 to 10. Elements of these groups are third B to VIIB, VIII, 1B and 2B belongs to this block. Then A block elements. F block elements are elements in which last electron is in F subshell. F subshell is in the process of filling. Lanthanide and actinides belongs to this block. General valence shell NS2 N-1 D0 1 2 N-2 F2 to 14. Important note. In S and P block elements, the elements are filling. Electrons takes place in the valence shell. In D block element, the filling of electron takes place in the penultimate shell. In A block elements, the filling of electrons takes place in anti-penultimate shell. This is all about periodic table. The periods, groups, blocks and how can you determine the periods and groups for an element. Thank you.